What if I told you that there's a secret process, a hidden strategy, that could help you make more money in 2025 than most people will make in a lifetime? Sounds too good to be true. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover the #1 way to build wealth in the next year. And guess what? It's simpler than you think. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how you can make real money in 2025, then you're in the right place. Because today, I'm going to reveal a secret process that's going to transform the way you think about money. I'm talking about a strategy that's already been proven to work in today's fast-paced digital world. No gimmicks, no tricks, just a step-by-step plan to help you build wealth in the coming year. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos on how to build wealth and secure your financial freedom. Now, let's talk about why 2025 is going to be a game changer when it comes to making money. You see, the world is changing faster than ever before. New technologies, automation, artificial intelligence, and even shifts in the global economy are creating unprecedented opportunities for those who know how to take advantage of them. In the past, the traditional way of making money has been to work a 9-to-5 job, save for retirement, and hope for the best. But in 2025, things are shifting. More people are going to be working from home, starting online businesses, and using digital tools to create multiple income streams, and you can be part of that movement. So, what is the secret process? Well, it's actually not a secret at all. It's digital entrepreneurship. What do I mean by that? Digital entrepreneurship is the art of building and running online businesses using technology. Think about it. You don't need a huge amount of capital. You don't need a fancy office. And you don't need years of experience. What you do need is a willingness to learn, adapt, and use the tools that are available today. The first thing you need to do is identify a profitable niche. Whether it's e-commerce, affiliate marketing, content creation, or even investing in cryptocurrency, there are endless opportunities for digital entrepreneurs in 2025. The key is to find something you're passionate about, or something that aligns with your skills and knowledge. Let me give you an example. Take e-commerce, for instance. By 2025, the global e-commerce market is expected to reach nearly $8 trillion. That means there's an enormous opportunity to tap into online stores and platforms like Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy. You don't need to build a massive business overnight. Even starting small and scaling slowly can lead to incredible growth. Now, here's where things get really exciting. The second part of this process is the power of automation and AI, artificial intelligence. In 2025, you'll be able to leverage AI tools to run your business on autopilot. Whether it's marketing automation, customer service bots, or content creation with AI assistants, technology is going to be your best friend. For example, tools like ChatGPT, yes, this one, can help you generate content, answer customer questions, and even automate social media posts. There are AI-powered tools to help you with product recommendations, price optimization, and customer engagement. This means you can save hours of work and focus on scaling your business instead. But you have to understand how to use these tools effectively. It's not just about having access to technology. It's about knowing which tools are the right fit for your business and how to use them to get the best results. Another crucial part of this process is building multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially as the world continues to change. The beauty of being a digital entrepreneur is that you can create different streams of income from one platform. For example, you can run an e-commerce store, monetize a YouTube channel, sell digital products, or even invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. And the best part, you don't need to be an expert at everything. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and reinvest your profits to grow faster. As you get better, you can add more income streams to your portfolio. It's like planting seeds in a garden. The more you plant, the more you can harvest in the future. So, How do you get started today? First, you need to choose your niche, whether you're interested in creating content, selling products, or investing in stocks. There are plenty of resources online to help you learn. Second, build your digital presence. This could be setting up a website, starting a blog, creating a YouTube channel, or launching an Instagram page. The more you can connect with your audience, the more trust you'll build, and the easier it will be to monetize your efforts. And lastly, embrace automation. Start learning about the tools that will help you run your business efficiently. There are plenty of free and paid tools available to help you get started. The more you can automate, the more time you'll have to focus on growth. So, there you have it, the secret process for making money in 2025. Digital entrepreneurship combined with automation and AI is the #1 way to create wealth in the next year. And the best part is that you don't need to wait until 2025 to get started. Begin today, and in a year, you could be looking at a totally different financial future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below with your thoughts. I'd love to hear how you're planning to make money in 2025. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.